hat shop in there.
Hiya, I found myself in Edinburgh today at St Andrews Square tram stop, and this is where the trams used to terminate, but now they go all the way down to Newhaven via Leith. And today we're going to explore the Edinburgh tram link, the new extension to the Edinburgh tram link down to Leith. So let's get into the video. So yeah, as you can see, it's really busy Saturday afternoon in Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland. So it's obviously going to be busy, isn't it? So here's our tram that's going to take us down to the next stop where we're going to get off, because I don't know if I've told you, the whole point of today is to alight at all the new stops that have been put on the extension. So we need to quickly get on. It's really busy, so we won't sit down. Yeah. Can't film out the door right now because there's loads of people standing next to it, but we're currently passing the old York Place tram stop, which was closed in 2022 to make way for the new Picardy Place station. And I have no idea how you pronounce it. But we're now at Picardy Place, not Picardy Place. As I told you, I have no idea how to pronounce it, or I didn't have any idea how to pronounce it. This station replaced the old York Place station, which closed down in 2022.
They have to stop it straight. Like, it is a lot. It is fast.
Welcome to McDonald Road, and if you're a train fan like me and you get off at McDonald Road, you've probably been into Harborne Hobbies, which is my most favourite shop in the whole of Edinburgh. And you can't not go in and have a wee look, can you? Yeah, I have to say McDonald Road is definitely my favourite tram stop. Here we have another tram coming in to take us away from McDonald Road. It looks absolutely mobbed, so yeah, go down the front.
No, I mean
Go in here. That's stuff for this. And just in time.
no. Not a proper film. We watched Little Mermaid not that long ago. Do you mean the live action one?
The next station is
Maybe
Balfour
it was
Street.
at a cruise. I might have watched it. Oh yeah, that means.
So yeah, we're now at Balfour Street. We're now at Balfour Street. We don't have long at Balfour Street, and I'm quite glad about that because it's just another shopping street. It's identical to McDonald Road, only it's not got a train shop. And here's our tram. This one's nice and quiet. Hardly anyone on this train. Tram, I mean. It's airport before.
Yeah.
It's good.
Oh, cool.
Wow.
Take a wee picture. Yeah, video.
Yeah.
Are you into the same thing?
Listen to you.
Oh, there you go.
That's good. Yeah.
What's it?
It's great.
Keeps you
Keeps you occupied, doesn't it?
Keeps it busy.
Aye, it does.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's better than being stuck in the house all
If
day
you-
doing nothing.
Where are you getting the train back to Glasgow?
Train.
Yeah.
It's a shame, right? Because there's a travel hub up at the West End.
Alright.
It's shut now. It shuts at 4:30.
Alright.
If
Yeah.
you go in there, they've got like it's where people get the passes, but they'll have maps and timetables.
Alright,
They sell
okay.
pictures in there, mugs, all that sort of
Travel
stuff.
hub.
Wow.
Whereabouts is it?
So
Because we can go there next time we're through.
yeah,
Yeah, West End.
it's in the West End. Yeah,
Aye.
so you can get a tram there, but it's just the far end of Princess Street.
I've not been there before.
I don't know.
Go onto their website.
Uh-huh.
It tells you where the travel hub is.
Uh-huh. Rolling buses, right?
Shamrock Place. There's
Alright, yeah.
there's a few.
I know where-
Waverley Bridge,
Right,
but
cool.
they'll be shut. I think they. what
Give you
time is
honest
it?
stuff.
Yeah, it's
What's
4:20.
Right, thank you. It's lovely to
You're
meet you.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
See ya.
Very well.
See you. Bye. Thank you. Well, that was nice, that wee tram ride. We met a lovely conductor and he was telling us about the travel hub that you can get off at Princess Street, no, West End, and it sells a lot of tram merch. So thank you. We're going to go there through to the walk. It's a bit different to the other tram stops because it doesn't have an island platform. So we don't know when the next tram is. Oh, it's right there. So again, we don't have long here, but on to the next stop. So here's our tram to Newhaven. This one looks quiet as well, which is ideal. So it means you can get a seat. Well, it doesn't look like it's. Oh yeah, it is. I'll get on here. Right, we're now at the shore station, and it's not really at the shore. I mean, you can't see it from down here. Maybe it's just beyond that building. But it's a nice wee station. A couple of nice wee coffee shops there. Really nice. Again, here comes our tram going to Newhaven, and then hoping that it's empty. Yep, it is quite. Right. That door stopped right at us. Another nice quiet tram, we can get a wee seat. You can see right into the cab, excuse my torch. But it kind of looks like if I play this video backwards, then it'll look like it's driverless. That'll look quite fun. I'll try and do that for you if I get footage of it moving. Here we are at Port of Leith. This is nice. It's right next to a harbour. I don't think that's Newhaven Harbour. Could be wrong. There's the tram heading down towards Newhaven, and over here we've got the Royal Yacht Britannia. So if you ever want to visit it, then Port of Leith is the tram stop that you have to come to. It's so quiet when everyone stops talking. So here is the tram from Newhaven back to the airport. But there's no a tram on this platform. I keep calling trams trains for some reason. I don't know why. Right, and here comes our tram that will take us to Ocean Terminal, the penultimate stop before we can end this challenge in Newhaven. It looks relatively busy, so we'll just maybe just have to stand. Well, let's get on and see what it's like. Yes, we're at Ocean Terminal and the shopping centre is just about to close. So we're going to go in there for the toilet, but that's not possible anymore. Right, and here comes our tram. That'll take us to New Haven. It's currently at a red... No, it's not. I thought it was at a red light. It was just going slowly. So yeah, this will take us to New Haven. And yeah, we're just going to get on it. Yeah, it's really quiet. There's plenty of seats, which is a good thing. Right, so the tram's here. There's plenty of seats, and we're just going to get this down to New Haven. One more stop.
Thanks for travelling with Edinburgh Trams.
We are approaching New Haven now, or our terminus, as the announcer said. So here we are, New Haven, and once we step out on the platform, then we can complete this challenge. So we have now successfully completed this challenge. Thank you everybody for watching. If you've liked this, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Okay? Thank you. Bye!
The shore.